Hi, I'm Brad Look with the Stan Winston School of Character Arts. Welcome to Creating Alien Makeups Part 2. The first thing I'm going to do is show you the materials that I'm going to be using to create this makeup. From there, we're going to go into coloring the prosthetic using Pax Paint, Real Creation Tattoo ink, Endura, you name it. I'm going to be showing you how to use stencils creatively, also how to use spatter, and how to bring the two together to create a unity to the makeup. After all that's done, we have a costume that's going to be put on. So you can see it's not just the makeup itself, it's also the wardrobe and the costuming and all that. Finally, we're going to do a makeup removal and show you how to take off the makeup without injuring the actor. We have a lot to cover today, so let's begin.